Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to use the hands-free mode on Instagram stories. So with no further ado, let's start. So first, make sure your Instagram application is updated. If it's not yet updated, then go to your app store and update it. Next, open your Instagram application, which I have already opened right here. Then tap your story. Then tap camera. Then on the left side, tap the down arrow. Then select the hands-free option. So here, just tap the record button once. So here, I'm not pressing my finger on the record button. Once you are done recording, tap the record button again, and that's how you use the hands-free mode on Instagram. And now we are done with our tutorial. Let us know in the comment section down below if this video helped you. For more video tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.